Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting with the media you want as a live wallpaper. Open your gallery, pick a short video or photo sequence, and tap Share or More to set as wallpaper. Once done, choose Set as Live Wallpaper when available. This preserves motion or parallax. Make sure you grant storage and wallpaper permissions so the system can access the file. If your phone offers a crop or trim tool, use it now to frame the subject. That reduces unexpected motion when applied. Next, convert and configure the media into a proper live wallpaper. Use your device's live wallpaper picker or a reputable app to import the file, then trim and crop to fit the screen ratio. This prevents stretching. Adjust loop settings and playback speed so the motion looks natural. Preview repeatedly to confirm. Once you're satisfied, pick whether it applies to home, lock screen, or both. Make sure orientation matches landscape or portrait, so icons and finish by tapping Apply or Set and immediately check your home and lock screens to confirm the live effect. If the wallpaper appears static, make sure the file format supports motion, MP4, GIF, or supported web, that the wallpaper app has permissions, and that battery saver or low power modes are off. Once done, restart your launcher or the device to clear any cache that prevents animation. If problems persist, reconvert the file at a lower resolution and try again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.